Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are taking your taste buds on a journey through a vibrant streets of Asia with our tantalizing street style chicken fried rice recipe. Get ready to unleash a variety of flavors as we combine succulent chicken, colorful veggies and fragrant spices to create a dish that's as visually stunning as it is delicious. So grab your wok and let's dive into this culinary adventure together. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 2 large chicken breasts cut in cubes about 350 grams, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 pinch red food color, and then give this a nice mix and marinate this for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan add oil. Then fry the marinated chicken. Fry it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 garlic cloves chopped and fry this for about few seconds, and add 1 cup carrots cut in cubes and fry it until it is soft. Then add 1 cup green beans and fry it until it is nice and soft. Then add 1 cup bell pepper cut in cubes, fry this until it is nice and soft. Then add 2 cups cabbage chopped and fry this until it is nice and soft. Make sure the flame is not too high. Then make some space in the middle to fry the eggs. Then add some oil, add 3 whole eggs and fry it until the egg is nice and hard. And then mix it with the vegetable. Then add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the masalas are nicely cooked. Then add the fried chicken, add 1 large bowl cooked rice, add some coriander leaves, add half tablespoon light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, and then fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure the flame is on high and keep frying the rice. Then add 1 tablespoon butter and then fry this for about 2 minutes until the butter is nicely melted. And there you have it guys, our street style chicken fried rice bursting with flavors and authenticity straight from the streets of Asia. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and join us next time as we explore another culinary delight. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking. Bye.